Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off your camera on Zoom. So I'm just going to select new meeting for now. And the camera is on, I think, but it's just I have like the camera like closed off. So this is like on, as you can see. I selected the camera. So to turn off your camera, you're just going to select the video, and to enable it, you're going to select that again. Or you can, as an alternative, select Alt V on your keyboard for like a quicker, faster shortcut. Um, that's how you can like turn off and on your video camera on Zoom. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.